Love churros? Love lattes? Meet your new obsession. The Churro Latte with a cinnamon sugar rim. Every sip gives you warm, buttery cinnamon flavor, bold espresso, and creamy milk, finished with that irresistible, sugary crunch on the rim. No deep frying required, just simple ingredients and a little cinnamon magic. It's cozy, decadent, and looks absolutely stunning. Let's rim, brew, and sip. Ingredients: 2 shots of hot espresso or top strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk of choice or whole milk works best, 2 tbsp cinnamon sugar, 2 tbsp sugar plus, 1 tbsp cinnamon, 1 tbsp honey or brown sugar for wicked. tbsp vanilla extract, tbsp ground cinnamon for the latte itself. Whipped cream for topping. For the cinnamon sugar rim, a small plate with honey or melted butter, another small plate with cinnamon sugar. Directions: start by brewing 2 fresh shots of espresso or a half cup of very strong coffee. While that's brewing, prepare your glass or mug. Run a slice of orange, a honey-coated finger, or a light brush of melted butter along the rim of your glass. Dip the wet rim into the cinnamon sugar mixture, rotating slowly to coat evenly. Tap off any excess. This creates that signature churro-style crunch with every sip. In a small saucepan over medium heat, warm the milk with honey or wound, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. Whisk occasionally until hot and slightly frothy, about 3 to 4 minutes. For an extra foam layer, use a milk frother or whisk vigorously. Pour the hot espresso into your prepared cinnamon-rimmed glass. Slowly add the warm cinnamon vanilla milk, holding back the foam with a spoon, then spoon the foam on top. Top with a generous swirl of whipped cream, then dust with an extra pinch of cinnamon sugar. For a dramatic finish, drizzle with a little caramel or honey. Take a sip, you'll get the crackle of cinnamon sugar, then warm, creamy, churro-like bliss. This latte tastes exactly like a freshly fried churro dipped in hot chocolate. No bakery required. That's the Churro Latte, crunchy, creamy, and packed with cinnamon warmth. Don't skip the rim. It's what makes it taste like a real churro. Use oat milk for extra creaminess and froth. Adjust the cinnamon to your liking. More for spice lovers, less for a milder sip. If you loved this cozy latte, hit like and subscribe. Tag me in your churro rim creations. Net happy free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 coffee lover.